Welcome to my channel.
In the middle of Mouseville, a group of scary alley cats, led by the infamous Scratch, comes into the calm city. This makes the mice there very scared and confused. Jerry, the smart and playful mouse, sees all the trouble caused by Scratch and his gang. He understands that it's time for them to stop being enemies and work together. Jerry proposes an alliance to Tom, a lazy but good-hearted cat, and sparks a glimmer of curiosity in Tom's eyes. Mouseville's once happy lives turn into a nightmare as Scratch and his gang roam the streets, instilling fear in the hearts of the mice. Even though both mice and cats doubt and don't trust them, Jerry and Tom stay together. They keep trying to make them understand that the only way they can survive is by working together. Jerry and Tom set out on a mission to gather a diverse group of willing mice and cats, each with unique talents to contribute. Jerry and Tom discover a hidden talent for leadership as they lead the united group, their minds buzzing with creative ways to outsmart Scratch and his gang. Even though Jerry and Tom try their best, Scratch finds out about their plans. He counterattacks, becoming a big danger to their alliance in the city of Mouseville. In the face of the counterattack, Jerry, Tom, and their united group fight with unwavering determination, using quick thinking and teamwork to overcome the threat. After defeating Scratch and his gang, the mice and cats in Mouseville celebrate their tough-won victory, understanding how powerful unity can be. Jerry and Tom, who were once enemies, now share a strong friendship built on mutual respect and understanding. Jerry and Tom sit side by side, sharing a meal amidst the celebration, their laughter echoing through the air, a true testament to their newfound friendship. The once chaotic streets of Mouseville are now filled with harmony as mice and cats live side by side, a testament to the alliance formed by Jerry and Tom, reminding everyone of the power of unity.
Thanks for watching.